Hello, my creative creatures. We had a very unique year this year where we had St. Patrick's Day, Palm Sunday, and Easter all in the same month. And this is just showing how easy it is to switch out for the seasons. Hopefully this inspires you to use magnets with your fairy houses. Just a quick video to show how easy it is to switch out the seasons for the new fairy house. Happy Easter. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.